All right, if you're in the market for a pickup, definitely check this one out. This thing is like a time capsule. First off, it's a 2000 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD extended cab, LS trim package, 4x4, long box. It's a two-owner vehicle, folks. It has a clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, actual miles, 74,339. So 74,339 in the odometer right now. It has been driven summers only. There's actually a logbook that goes along with this that has service records, basically kind of like an itinerary book with it. It's unbelievable. Underneath the hood, the 6-liter V8 that is paired up with an HD 4-speed automatic with tow haul mode, also has the auto track, active transfer case, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold, light pewter metallic with medium gray custom cloth. Take a look at the front chrome, grille, bumper on this truck. Now, you're going to want to check out the still pictures. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. All right, check out the paint on the hood. Now remember, this truck's 25 years old now. Well maintained and taken care of. It has been somebody's baby its entire life. Look down the passenger side of this truck. You don't see nicks, dings, scratches. Come on, folks, you know what these trucks typically were used. They were work trucks. Construction, farming, hauling, pulling, towing. This one, 16.5-foot boat. That's what it towed around. Mostly used to travel. And again, look at those lower rockers above and around the wheel, or the wheel flares. There's no bubbling. Again, summer-driven truck. I did notice a scuff back here. Oh my goodness. It's been touched up. A little bit of paint in there, and you can hardly see it, but if you see what I'm talking about there, couple little small touch-ups. All right, how about the bed? You want to see the bed? No bed liner in it. Look at this. It is not all beat up. A few little dings above the wheel wells. Like I said, immaculate. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Trailering package, obviously, on the rear of it, the receiver there. Also take a look at the rear bumper. If you know anything about these rear bumpers, and in climate weather, if they're driven a bunch, that'll start to peel and rust because debris and salt sits underneath there and hangs out in there. Rots them away. Clement's right there. That is where the truck was sold new, like I said, in our area. Since new, two-owner, clean Carfax. Checked out incredible in the service department too. Really no notes from the service advisor or the technician on this one. Brakes are 90% front and rear. Does have a locking rear differential with the 373 rear ratio gears. And again, the service records in that log book. Let's take a look down this driver's side. Now, if you watched our videos before, I've always said go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel because you never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. And this right here is a prime example. Look at the driver's side. Again, really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. I even found a touch-up on this side. Here, you want me to get really fussy? I think I found a couple dings. This is what I'm talking about. Oh, can you see it? Oh, there it is. And I'm literally talking that small of imperfection in this truck after 25 years. And it's a 2500 HD. How about the interior, you say? All right, let's check it out. Now, of course, this would be a 3-door in 2000. So both doors would open on that side, front and rear. Of course, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Look at the door panel. I mean, it's not discolored. Lots of times you see them worn around that door handle. It's like new. It's one of those where nice, large floor mat How about the seats? Much wear in the seats at all? Of course not. 40-20-40, split bench, fold down center armrest, tilt column, cruise control. Here's that auto four-wheel drive. Active transfer case I mentioned does have the electronic trailing brakes already hooked up. Controllers down to the right underneath the dash. Headliner good, sliding rear glass. I believe that would have been an option. And speaking of options, if you want to see exactly how this truck was equipped in 2000, go ahead and check out the still pictures. The window sticker will be in there. All right, there's your exact miles, 74,339. AM, FM, CD player, AC. Again, blows cold, heat blows hot. Top of the dash, this thing's obviously stored indoors. No check engine light, service engine light, anything like that on. No surprises on this one, folks. I don't expect this one to be around long. Let's take a listen. I have not noticed any modifications, so. Sounds stock, what you'd expect. All right, let me slip up to the front. I'm gonna pause this a second. Let's get this hood popped. Check out the engine bay. Plenty of tread left on these tires too, just so you know. Stock chrome wheels, look good. All right, let me pause this a second. Let's get this hood popped. Check out the engine bay, and then Jason will take it for a drive at the end of this video, show you how it goes down the road. Underside of the hood and the hood liner. Remember when I mentioned no inclement weather? That's why that hood liner's so clean, and here it is, that Vortec 6-liter V8 power steering, power brakes, AC, of course, dual batteries in the HD. It's amazing. It looks like it's new underneath there. Looks good, sounds good. I don't know what else to say. Give a call, 507-386-1726. Any questions? Consult with a sales associate. UniqueClassicCars.com is where all those still pics are. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 2000 Chevrolet Silverado. This would be an extended cab, 4-wheel drive, push button 4-wheel drive, automatic on the column. Kind of a pewter color maybe, inside and out, looks good. Semi-low mileage on this truck, less than 75,000 on the odometer currently. Good acceleration, smooth running truck, sounds good. All our gauges are working. Temperature is a quarter of the way up and still rising. Volts over 14. The fuel gauge is showing half the tank, and the oil pressure is about 60 to 70 psi, which is good. Also tachometer equipped, and that's working as it should. The wipers work. The AC is blowing cold on this truck. We have got bucket seats with a center console that's also a seat. Looking good. The headliner's in good shape. We've got storage up here and lighting. Brakes nice and smooth. Maybe you've had one of these. Maybe you got it up in the 200s of thousands of miles because they're so reliable. And you're looking to start over with something that's darn near like new with less than 75,000 miles on it. Here's your truck. Corner's very nice. Easy to steer. There's the kick down. Plenty of power. Cruise control even functioning as it should. Take a look at all the pictures of this Silverado at uniqueclassiccars.com.